yeah. So 9 over 11 can be represented by 1 over 2, with 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over a plus 1 over b. That's two algebraic expressions. Explain how you might go about finding the values of a and b. So I will be explaining to you how to find the values of a and b. Let us write down the equation first. Oopsie. Okay, so 9 over 11 equals to 1 over 2. Actually, I just clear that just so you won't be confused. 9 over 11 equals to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over a plus 1 over b. Okay, so we want to find a and b, right? How you see how to solve the problem is basically to see it like algebraic equation, I guess. Equation, I guess. So basically 9 over 11 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5 equals to 1 over a plus 1 over b. And so that's basically how you should see the problem. And so our first step is to find out, our first step is to add these two together. You'll see what I mean. You'll understand. So to add these two together, as usual, we make the denominators the same, and this will become 5 over 10 plus 2 over 10. Let's just ignore these two for a minute. Okay, ignore these two for a minute, and okay. Now, because apparently this plus these two equals to 1 over a plus 1 over b, we need to make these three denominators the same because we want to subtract them later on. And so these three has to have the same denominators, and they will become the denominator will be 110. I am drawing with one hand, just so you know. And the numerators will be 90, 55, yeah, sorry, that's a crappy 55, and the 22, and 22. Okay, so start there, and what we do now is combine these two together, result in 90 over 110 equals to 77 over 110, and because this actually equals to 1 over a plus 1 over b, it means we have to subtract it, which means 90 over 100 minus 7 over 100, which gives you 13 over 100. Oh, sorry, 13 over 110. Oh, 13 over 110 basically is equal to 1 over a plus 1 over b, but because that's two algebraic expressions, I mean two values, not just one, means we have to find we need to sort of divide this into two unit fractions. You know what a unit fraction is? And there is no easy way to do this. You just need to sort of find the numerators that can be simplified. The fractions that can be simplified so that it will result in a unit fraction, which means it'll have 1 as the numerator. Okay, so anyway, what we end up with is 11 and 2. You see where I'm getting there? Because 13, right? 11 plus 2. I think there are more possible answers, but I'm just gonna go with 11 and 2 now. So, 2 110, and 2 over 110. These can be simplified into unit fractions, and they will become 1 over 10 and 1 over 55. Okay? And so, there you have it. That is 1 over a, and that is 1 over e. And so what you have as your final answer is 9 over 11 equals to 1 over 2 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 10, which is 1 over 8, plus 1 over 55. And there's your answer. Thank you.